let's discover the Landing Page Creator tool. It is the best image generation tool for sales pages, the most complete and advanced in terms of customization. You won't find anything like it anywhere else. Why? Because you have the ability to customize absolutely all sections and elements of your landing page. We will start with the easiest and fastest method, using templates. When we talk about templates, we mean pre-saved models, either saved by you or shared by the system. You simply need to select a template to view the different pages it contains. Once selected, you'll notice that this bar displays the different zones and sections of the model. All that's left is to add your product image and then start the generation. It's the simplest and fastest method. This is why I recommend creating your own templates for quick and efficient future use. If you are starting from scratch to create your first landing page, here is how to do it. We start by adding a section. In the section templates, you have hundreds of models organized by categories: hero section, problem agitation, solution, social proof, how it works, FAQ, versus, call to action, and even complete landing pages. There are also before-after sections. The choice is very wide. Let's start with the hero section. I advise you not to focus on the type of product shown, but rather on the design. The displayed product doesn't matter. It can be completely different from yours. Only the design counts. You have three options for adding a section. You can add only the visual, only the prompt that explains this design, or add both at the same time. When you add both, you can see in the corresponding zone that the complete prompt is displayed. You can read it, customize it, or delete it. It's not mandatory to have a highly detailed prompt, but it is recommended. Let's add another section. For example, I only want a part of this section, so I will use the crop tool. In this case, I recommend not adding the prompts, but only adding the visual, or customizing the prompt by removing the part that corresponds to the cropped area. Let's add a final section. For example, a before-after, selecting only the visual. You can add as many sections as you want to build the rest of your landing page. It's unlimited. On the left toolbar, you can manage your sections. For example, if you want to delete a specific part, you select it. That's section number 4. You can then delete it. You can also add empty sections in a square or circle format, which you can delete if needed. You can add specific images, like your product image, a character, or anything else, and define the exact area where you want to place it. You can lock a section with the padlock so it doesn't move. Here, we can add details for each section. You can adjust the height manually or by entering a value. In the product images zone, you can add other images. In the briefing zone, you can specify important details: the style, the audience, the price, a discount, or the offers. For instance, I'm going to add 50% off offer. These buttons help you customize easily by specifying that it's a luxury product or that the target audience is fitness. This saves you from having to write everything out and provides more details about the product and the offer. Before finishing, check the model used. You can choose between Premium and Ultimate. It is very important to check the aspect ratio because it changes depending on the model. I recommend Ultimate as it provides better details and higher quality. Choose the format, JPEG, PNG, or WEBP, and most importantly, validate the text language and the target country, as the result will adapt to these choices. You can also customize the graphic charter with your brand colors by entering the color code or using the palette. Once finished, start the generation by clicking on one of the Generate buttons. The side window opens to show the result on the left. At the end, you can save your creation by clicking on Save Project, so you can easily find it in My Templates for your next use. To delete everything and start over from zero, click on the Clear button. Here is our finished landing page. You can view it or downloaded. For subscriptions, the Twin Ads watermark will not be displayed. Look at the quality of the before-after, and the 50% off discount we specified is well integrated. All the details and everything we defined can be found in our landing page.